So today we're in Gindra, looking at a new park that's under construction at the moment for the council. So I attended the first Inland Rail workshop mainly to see if I can help and assist Inland Rail and others in supplying real-time data acquisition from the air. I've learned a lot from the workshop to know what the client is looking for and that they are wanting to use local. I think over 90% of the companies they use are local to the areas that they're building through, which I think shows that support to communities as well.
Local content is key to the program's success. This is a social investment into these communities by Inland Rail. It doesn't matter if businesses out here are small or large, they've all got an opportunity to participate in the supply chain.
I had a good conversation with both Scott and Matt. I've already forwarded them my capabilities and what I'm able to offer, and they've passed that on higher, which has been good.
Everyone needs to know, from small business to big businesses, what's required to get your business out there and looked at and to be taken on by a big vendor. We want people to be capable and we want them to be ready to start work with us.
Knowing what documents to provide, how they want it provided and the wording involved around it. It's not just benefiting this project, but any ongoing other projects I need a tender for as well. I've got that now. Having Deb and the team reconfirming that you can still offer your services regardless of how niche they might be. So having that reassurance has been good. Deb and Kevin are offering, I think, up to 3 hours of assistance, checking over anything that we're working on, which has been good. It's good to have that help. There's plenty of work out there. It'd be great to get into Inland Rail to show my capacity and how I can help assist them.